Many people try dropshipping, but not everyone succeeds. The key is to approach it like a real business, not a hobby or a quick money scheme. First things first, you need an online store. Shopify is a very popular platform for this. Now that your basic store is set up, you need products to sell. This is a critical step. You need to find products that people actually want to buy. One fantastic tool for finding trending products is the TikTok Creative Center. TikTok is not just for dance videos, it is a powerhouse for discovering what is hot right now. Many viral products first gain traction on TikTok. The Creative Center allows you to see top-performing ads and trending hashtags related to products. This gives you real data on what's currently capturing attention. To use the TikTok Creative Center, go to their website. You can filter by region, industry, and campaign objectives. Look for ads that have high engagement rates, likes, comments, and shares. Pay attention to the products being featured in these successful ads. What kind of products are they? What problems do they solve? What makes them unique or interesting? Don't just look for any product. Try to find a niche. A niche is a specific segment of the market. Focusing on a niche can help you target your marketing more effectively and stand out from the competition. When you identify a potential product, do some more research. Check if other stores are selling it. Look at their pricing and marketing. See if there is demand for it beyond TikTok. You can use Google Trends to check search interest over time. Also, think about the product's practicality for dropshipping. Is it easy to ship? Is it fragile? Are there reliable suppliers for it? You want a product that has good profit margins and is not too complicated to handle from a logistics standpoint. Avoid picking products just because you like them. You need to pick products that have proven demand. Data from TikTok Creative Center is a good starting point. Look for products that solve a problem or tap into a strong emotion. These types of products often sell well. For example, items that make life easier or products that are visually appealing and shareable tend to do well on platforms like TikTok. Take your time with product research. This is not a step you want to rush. A good product is the foundation of a successful store. Once you have found a promising product, you need to add it to your Shopify store. Since you are dropshipping, you won't be handling the inventory yourself. You need an app to connect your store with suppliers who will stock and ship the products. Zendrop is a popular app for this. There are other similar apps like CJ Dropshipping or DSers, but Zendrop is known for being user-friendly and having access to a range of suppliers, often with faster shipping times than some alternatives like AliExpress directly. To connect Zendrop to your Shopify store, you first need to install the Zendrop app from the Shopify App Store. Search for Zendrop, click Add App, and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, you will need to create a Zendrop account if you don't already have one. The app will then guide you through the process of connecting your Shopify store. This integration allows products from Zendrop to be easily imported into your Shopify store, and orders to be automatically sent to your Zendrop suppliers for fulfillment. After setting up Zendrop, you can search for the product you identified during your research phase. Zendrop has a catalog of products you can browse. If you found a specific product on TikTok, you might need to search for similar items or use keywords to locate it, or a comparable alternative within Zendrop. Once you find the product, you can import it into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Zendrop usually pulls in product images, descriptions, and variant information. However, you will definitely want to customize these details later. When you import a product, pay attention to the supplier information, shipping costs, and processing times listed on Zendrop. These are important factors that will affect your profit margins and customer satisfaction. Choose suppliers who are reliable and offer reasonable shipping options. Some suppliers on Zendrop offer branding options like custom packaging, which can be a nice touch as your business grows. For now, focus on getting the product into your store so you can start customizing its presentation for your customers. This step bridges the gap between product research and actually having something to sell. Simply importing a product is not enough. You need to make your storefront look professional and trustworthy. This starts with customizing your product pages. The default descriptions and images from suppliers are often not very good. You need to write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits of the product. Use clear language and focus on how the product solves a problem or improves the customer's life. Add high-quality images and, if possible, videos of the product in use. Good visuals are extremely important for online sales. Next, you need a real domain name. The default Shopify domain like yourstore.myshopify.com, does not look professional. You should buy a custom domain name, such as www.yourstore.com. You can buy a domain directly through Shopify or from other domain registrars like GoDaddy or Namecheap. A custom domain builds credibility and makes your brand memorable. It is a small investment that makes a big difference in how customers perceive your store. Make sure the domain name is easy to remember and relevant to your niche or brand. You also need to set up your navigation menus. Make it easy for customers to find what they are looking for. Your main menu should include links to important pages like Home, Products or Shop, Contact Us, and About Us. Also, create essential policy pages. These include a privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, and refund policy. Shopify provides templates for these pages, which you can customize. Having these pages clearly accessible shows transparency and builds trust with your customers. This is non-negotiable for a serious store. Finally, take a look at the overall design and branding of your store. Even with a free theme like Refresh, you can make adjustments. Customize the colors, fonts, and logo to create a consistent brand identity. Your logo doesn't need to be fancy. Something simple and clean will work. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as many customers will shop from their phones. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate store with clear product information and policies will significantly increase your chances of making sales.